This one got teeth.
Oh.
He got teeth. He bites.
Oh my.
Rampino is just gonna try to let this one off. So they got really sharp teeth.
They'll cut your finger off.
Oh yeah, you see those razor sharp teeth?
Yeah. Everybody, always remember to not put fingers in pickerel's mouth because they have sharp teeth. They'll cut off your finger and your whole hand.
Let's see what you got. Whoa! Another one.
Whoa.
You got it.
You got one?
Oh, that's a bigger one.
That's so sunny.
Stand up.
Yep, stand up.
Stand up. Stand up. See what you got here. Let's see what you got.
Whoa.
Another one. Another one.
Oh, I might have found a pickerel actually. Maybe.
We'll find out.
Reel it in.
I might got a pickerel.
Let me see what you got. Whoa! What is this?
A bluegill, I think.
Oh, you're the bluegill queen, right?
That is a pond monster bluegill.
Oh!
Let's see, what did your Grampino get?
Bass.
I got the same bass like you, but it's like the same bass like you, but different.
Okay, see where I got my hand right here? Hold them up so mommy can see them.
Good
What kind
job.
of fish is that?
A bass.
What kind of bass? Big mouth. Big mouth bass.
Big
Or
mouth
a large
bass. I don't think that's a sunny. Wait, can I release it?
Yes. Okay, pull it like that.
I keep saying that because there's.
Reel that baby in.
Really? It's trying to hide behind the boat.
Oh!
Can I release it?
Look at that.
I wanna
Another one.
Look, another bluegill.
Okay.
But I'm catching way more bad stuff than you, Filipino.
Yes, you are. Because you're the fisher queen.
Can I release him?
You have it good. The rag helps. Yay!
Good job.
Good job. Okay, ready?
Good job. Yep.
Bring the anchor. Watch
Yep.
the hook. Oh! Oh, mama.
What did you get? A bass?
Ooh, that's a nice bass. Look at that.
That might be the same bass. Right?
This is a gorgeous bass.
Is that the same one?
No, this one's a little bit bigger. Mwah!
Wait, what did you do? I want to see it. Kiss it again. Do it.